When I was dealing with an individual who was dying of cancer, her children said, "What about my mom?" And I said, "Your mom's going to a better place." And they said, "What will happen to me?" And I said, "You will be taken care of." So the mom and me always reminds me of who we're trying to take care of in our community. We're trying to take care of the moms, the daddies, and the children. The Mom and Me Mobile Medical Clinic is a free clinic where anybody, children, moms and dads, and anybody in the community can come and receive basic health care services at no cost, so their mom and dad can pay the rent, buy food, or buy the little one shoes without owing anything to the doctor.
Well, basically, a bunch of us got together and bought this semi, came up with this idea, putting this mobile medical clinic together so that we could be mobile in the event of a disaster like Oso and other parts of the country where they don't have access to free basic care. We can take the truck there, set it up, and bring doctors on board, and then patients don't have to go so far to get free medical attention for their diabetes supplies and stuff like that. So it really gives us a little bit more of a niche than a brick and mortar clinic.
We have a couple set drivers that will be have their CDL and be able to drive the vehicle. But we actually have doctors and nurses, and the medical staff will be volunteering. And a doctor might volunteer once a week or once a month, and they will provide all the medical needs that we have.
The Mom and Me builds hope within the community and builds hope within the soul of the individual. And isn't that what we all want? We want to hope for a better world. And by doing a little with a free clinic or some other volunteer program, we're feeding our soul and we're feeding it hope, because we all want to be hopeful.